I'm Willie Roos, I'm the CEO of Stratafin, and today we are discussing legal fees. A question we get asked a lot at Stratafin is whether bodies corporate are entitled to recover their legal fees in respect of the collection of arrear levies. When an owner fails to comply with their legal obligation to pay levies, the trustees must take legal action to collect those outstanding levies. This is a tedious and costly exercise which can place a financial burden on the paying owners. In terms of Prescribed Management Rule 25.4, a defaulting owner is liable for all reasonable legal costs and expenses incurred during the collection process. An attorney seldom works on a tax scale and typically charges an attorney and client or attorney and own client scale, which is far higher than the allowed scale under Rule 25.4 of the Prescribed Management Rules. Unless the debtor agrees to the higher scale, the body corporate will be liable for the difference in the fees between the allowed scale and the higher scale. The portion that is not recoverable from the debtor will be payable from the administrative budget. This is why a body corporate needs to budget for legal expenses on an annual basis. An alternative for a body corporate is to lodge a dispute for the outstanding levies through the offices of the Community Scheme Ombud Services. This process is a relatively inexpensive process but has its risk. For example, it is not appealable on the basis of fact. If the debtor still fails to make payment after the granting of the CSOS order, the body corporate will then have to approach a court in any event to proceed with the collections process. From our perspective at Stratafin, we recommend that a body corporate amends their management rules to make provision for the debtors to be liable for all costs and expenses incurred in the collection of arrear levies. This will remove the burden from the compliant owners back to the debtor. In our upcoming webinar, we will discuss how trustees can handle the non-paying owners and how they can amend the rules to reduce the legal costs involved for the other owners. Click on the link below to register for our upcoming webinar. Thank you so much.